All of it. All of it. I've got a golden ticket.
What's up, guys? Good morning. I'm feeling a little bit extra inspired to do a product review today. It's something I've been thinking about doing for a while, just product reviews in general. Living life, living the dream is having people send me a bunch of tasty keto food.
We are the dreamers of dreams.
And I tell you what I think of it, and hopefully it's all super tasty. But if it's not, then I'm going to tell you, because all my reviews are going to be super honest, as you're going to see with this one.
Oompa, loompa, doopa-dee-dee. If you are wise, you'll listen to me.
Like and subscribe.
Today we're reviewing Lily's chocolate.
That's chocolate!
That's chocolate.
I saw this in, it was like Whole Foods or Nugget or something like that recently. I'd never seen chocolate chips that were like sugar-free. So this whole bag has a total of like 18 net carbs, which isn't much considering this is, my opinion, this is top quality chocolate. This is like super good. I don't even know if you had people who don't do keto and you want to like make them something or sneak in some kind of low carb or chocolate, you know, some kind of keto alternative for their own good. This is so good it will fly under the radar. I love this stuff. I'm not sponsored, but Lily's, I will so be sponsored by you. I love your products. So tasty. As you're going to see, I've got salted caramel, dark chocolate, salted caramel, extra milk chocolate, salted caramel, extra dark chocolate, like no joke. Like total legit. Like this stuff is so good. You can also get it at Walmart, which is amazing, especially just like the bags of, just the different sorts of bags of chocolate, you know. I make these in my cookie recipe. You'll see that, I'm sure, soon one of these days. But there's a couple of new ones that I really haven't tried before. It's like the dark chocolate covered caramels. These are a little bit higher in carbs. This bag is like 18 to 20. So it's a smaller bag than just the chocolate chips by itself. Let's give them a go. Let's start with the dark chocolate covered caramels right here, sweetened with stevia. Do some ASMR while we're at it. Sweet, but not too sweet. You got the dark chocolate on the outside, and then you do have kind of a like a chewy caramel in the middle. I like it a lot. Oh, it's actually, salt is good. Good amount of salt. I like it. It's good. I give it 2 Mickey thumbs up. I don't even know what that means, but we can go with that. So, second thing I want to try is the milk chocolate style covered caramels. Milk chocolate style. These are less carbs than the other one. This one is what is this? 15. This is 17 and a half for one bag. First ingredient is chocolate. You got unsweetened cocoa, cocoa butter, erythritol, chicory root, fiber, dextrin, whole milk powder, milk fat, organic soy lectin, sunflower lectin, stevia extract, vanilla extract, caramel, tapioca, erythritol, evaporated milk, sea salt. Like I said, it's a really clean product. Like I am so down with that. I will put a link in the description for probably affiliate to Amazon, because you can get these from Amazon too, obviously Whole Foods kind of thing. So yeah, like I said, totally legit. I've melted these down as well before. Not these specifically, but the just the dark chocolate bag here. You know, the different chips. melts really smooth. You can do chocolate dip stuff, chocolate dip strawberries for Valentine's Day. You can do chocolate dipped ice cream. You could do chocolate dipped nuts. Really good. Sometimes I just take these. Favorite snack of mine. I'll mix these with some like almonds or something as like a, you know, like a really good low carb trail mix. Super tasty. Now I will say this being a very honest review, at least when it comes to me. I haven't heard this from anybody else, but if I eat a ton of these, you might have a little bit of gas. I'm just being super honest with it. Everything else about Lily's chips, I am all for. They are, you know, I give them 10 out of 10 stars. They're amazing. I love them. I'm only saying when it comes to, especially these ones with inulin, I doubt it's any of these other ones, anything like that. But if, like you say, if you're gonna power like half of a bag or a bag like me or whatever, then it's, you know, it could cause you some issues. So just saying that. But anyway, there's some things here I have not tried yet, so I say we should try these as well. Again, let's try the milk chocolate style. Oh my, must be my birthday. I actually like these better than the dark chocolate ones. They're very good. These are a little bit sweeter, I think, than the dark chocolate. I like these. These are good. I've already tried the dark chocolate. The regular dark chocolate's amazing. Like, it's good. When it comes to these, the one that I have not tried, let's see, would be the salted almond extra dark chocolate. So we could just try a square of that and see how that is too. This whole bar is like, if I'm reading this right, it's, yeah, this whole bar is like 3 carbs or something like this. Look how big this bar is. It's like Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory here. I've got a golden ticket. Actually, this is purple. I like the purple color. Must be my birthday. Did they mean to do this? That's funny. It actually is. It's gold on the inside. I actually do have a golden ticket. It is gold on the inside.
I've got a golden ticket.
Huh. Were they playing off of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory on this? That's very cool. Huh. I was just, I didn't know that they wrapped their bars in gold and wrapped it in something else. I was just kidding about the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory bit. I was just like, alright. And I guess dreams do come true after all. Oh, it even says Lily's on it. Huh, you see that? So, I don't know if you can see, but it says Lily's on it. When they say salted, they definitely mean salted. And I do like salty things, so these are tasty. This is a little bit more salty than I'd say sweet. But still, like I say, still good, very chocolatey, very smooth. Outside of the almonds, of course. Very tasty. If you're a little bit more, this one is more, if you're feeling more savory and salty versus sweet. Salted caramel, extra dark chocolate. Like you say, a whole chocolate bar, that's a whole different game. Like I say, when I was a little kid, I was allowed, okay, you get one chocolate bar or one big ass, biggest chocolate bar as you want, more or less, in the private size. I mean, up to king size, but that I could have per day or whatever when I was kicking it with my dad. And those, I mean, king size bars, that's like a soda or two worth of sugar. You're talking like, some of them are like 40-50 carbs. We're talking a big bar of chocolate. I mean, they're super tasty, super sweet. But anyway, Also says Lily's on it. Lily really likes to put her name on stuff. She's just like, I want you to know this is my chocolate, and it's very good. Very good, a little more sweet than the almond, but still very tasty, quite savory. And we'll try the last one here, which is the salted caramel milk chocolate style. Same jam, same dealio. Legit. Like you say, a little bit on the sweeter side compared to some of the other ones, but all super good. So with that being said, that's my review on the Lily's chocolate chips and the Lily's bars and the Lily's caramels. They're amazing. Lily, we should talk because I love your products. I want you to send me more. I want you to sponsor me, and I want to, if it's even possible for me to get fat off this would be something worthy on getting fat off of. But you're still going to be, still, best chocolate boss, best chocolate. Love it. Love it. Bangarang!
Adieu. Parting is such sweet sorrow.